Justice!
Do we want it?
Justice!
We want justice for our sheikh.
Yes.
We want every single resource to go into finding the people who perpetrated this act. We want justice for our sheikh and justice for every other brother who died at the hands of another person who's a coward who killed them. We want justice for our sheikh. What do we want?
Justice!
What do we want?
Justice!
What do we want?
Justice!
I can't hear you. What do we want?
Justice!
What do we want?
Justice!
What do we want?
Justice!
When do we want it?
Justice!
When do we want it? When do we want it?
Now!
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Thank you so much, and I would like to call the Imams. The Imams, inshallah, to be here. If Sheikh Muhammad Mursal, Sheikh Abdul Rahman, and the rest are here, and all the local Imams, I would like them to come forward, inshallah. If they should come, please, Sheikh Muhammad, and Dr. Abdul Rashid Ali, and Sheikh Ahmed Mansour, those who came from outside, please come down. All of you come here. Please come here, inshallah. Please, let's wait. Let's wait, all of us, inshallah. We're going to conclude soon, inshallah. These all Imams.
We go.
These all Imams that you see, they came from Minnesota. They came from Georgia. They came from Portland, Maine. They came from Massachusetts, Boston, Massachusetts. They came from Nashville, Tennessee. You cannot hear me?
No.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, I want to count the cities and states that the scholars are coming from today. They came from. All these scholars that you see from Michigan. Yes. From Seattle, Washington, I don't see the doctor today, but he was here. From Nashville, Tennessee. From Georgia. Where's Sheikh Muhammad Ibrahim? From Boston, Massachusetts. Where's Sheikh Mahmoud Garyari? From Portland, Maine. Where is Sheikh Muhammad Mursal and Sheikh Ahmed Anshur and Dr. Abi? Where are they? From Lewiston, Maine. Where are the shoe?
Right there.
From Minnesota, the Twin Cities. All these scholars and imams came for Sheikh Muhammad. So we honor him and we're seeking justice for him. We have these two tasks. Honor Sheikh Muhammad and his legacy. I've worked with him over 17 years. As a humanitarian, I was an executive director of Humanitarian African Relief for 4 years. He was in the board of that organization, fundraising for the needy people. And now I am Ayana director. He was my secretary, our secretary. So inshallah, I would like to give these imams few words, inshallah. If they would like to join, even in Somali, it's fine. I would like to call Sheikh Abdul Noor from Georgia, Washington. From Stone Mountain, Georgia.
You don't need to speak English.
بسم الله الحمد لله والسلام على رسول الله نبينا محمد وعلى اله وصحبه اجمعين. walaalyaal aad ayaad mahadsantihiin dhammaantiin. ilaahay subxaana watacaala walaalkeen maxamed allah naxariisto. ilaahay jannadii ha geliyo. ilaahay subxaana watacaala kitaabkiisa annagana sabir iyo iimaan allah subxaana watacaala maalintii la waayey maalintii ka horreysay ayaa igu dambeysay hadalkiisa. annagoo ka wada hadalna program aan rabnay inaan sii wadno. waxaa weeye walaalkaas marka waxaan u qabay keliga inaan ahay gabadhiisu markay lahayd inuu annaga keliya aabba noo yahay oo na jecel yahay keliya aan u qabnay, laakiin dadkoo dhan buu saasoo ahaa. anigu waxaan u qabay qofka keliya ee dadka ugu dhow ee saaxiib dhow u leeyahay inaan ahay, laakiin markaan arkay qof walba sida uu ku ahaa ayaa waxaan ogaaday inuu yahay qof ka duwan dadka kale. ilaahay waxaan weydiisanaynaa subxaana watacaala dadkaasi waa shuhadaa ullahi على الأرض ويا إلهي سبحانه وتعالى إنه أقبله إلهي إنه جنة كليه عرورتي سنة الله سبحانه وتعالى وحفظيه ودد جسيالة سيدة أبو هذا الله سبحانه وتعالى وزيادي ودد أكل سوني ذي أتكيسيجا أنكو أقاني جورجيا مساجد كان جوج مسجد السنة دايركتور كذوها dhalinyarada hadda magaalada nagu soo dhaweysay macallinkoodii ayuu ahaa magaaladaas markuu ka soo guuray masaajidka ku yaala dadkii asaasay buu kamid ahaa ibnu taymiya abu hurayra intaasoo khayr ayuu sii wada asagoo weli ay afka u kala furan tahay khayrka uu sii wado ayaa Allah subxaanahu wa ta'ala ka hoofsaday nabi maxamed sallallahu alayhi wasallam baa Allah hoofsaday sidaa darteed hawshii inaan meeshii ka sii wadno أنا أدعي أن أنت سمعت النجبة هي ولكن الله نحرسته إلهي سبحانه وتعالى جل حق ليه ضد كان دن سواء قبلي يميت أدن قضي خير كوسميني يا الله سبحانه وتعالى يجن الدم بقدر الله دافع
آمين
لما أنت إن الله نحفظيه فاملي جس الله حفظيه لأن يرد أن يعرفت أن الله حفظيه علماء أن الله حفظيه إن إنه يهين الله سبحانه وتعالى أنه حفظيه وجزاكم الله خير.
Thank you so much. أنت ما صنت هاي أدو حوم في بايا شيخ محمود قريرة إن شاء الله.